Hi everyone, welcome to Fashion and Styling by Anuja Gupta. Today we are going to learn Adobe Firefly for digital clothes. Open your browser and go to the site Adobe Firefly Generative AI for Creatives. Sign in with your Gmail ID and password. As soon as you sign in, you can see the Explore Firefly beta version. You can try the latest generative AI for text to image, generative fill, text effects, generative recolor, 3D to image and extend image. Let's try the generative fill. Skip this and upload image of your choice. Zoom a little bit, click on insert, choose add option and start by selecting the area you want to replace very carefully. While selecting, you can also change the size of the brush in the middle. Now it's time for the most important thing, writing the prompt. Type all the details you require the AI to generate. For example, I have written beautiful short skirt embellished in golden and black color. Now click on generate. Try the AI generated clothes and keep the ones you like. You can download the image and here you can see all the options I have created. Please like and subscribe.